guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. My name is Beatrice. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to share data on Airtel. So first thing you have to do is open up your phone app and you're going to dial *321# and click on enter. So you're going to see one which is Airtel to Airtel, and the two is gift data bundle. That's when you want to actually buy from somebody for somebody. But the one is Airtel to Airtel to actually share from your own data balance to the other person. So you click on one and click on send, and they will ask you to actually enter the Airtel number you wish to transfer airtime to. What it simply means is just add in the person's phone number. So I'm just going to put in the person's phone number. Okay. You click on send and they're going to ask you to actually input the amount you wish to transfer. So let's say I want to transfer 100 MB. Click on send and they're going to ask you to enter the pin. The default pin is actually 1234, except you actually change the pin for transfer. You can input the pin, but the default pin is actually 1234. Default pin means the one that comes with your airtime, your Airtel SIM. So you click on send and the request is going to go through, right? The person is going to actually receive the 100 MB. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.